Hello, welcome to another podcast of Master Investor. Glad to be here again on another valuable talk on money, business, and investment. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the company and brand. Ensure to subscribe to our channel and follow us on all other social media platforms. Click the link in the description to purchase our ebook and digital course, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On, whenever you're ready to start building a digital business and specifically focus on the asset column through sound investing. Then this ebook and digital course will help you from A to Z. Literally will help you understand how wealth is created today, what is money, the difference between an asset and liability. It has 49 chapters, 580 pages with financial education and a total guide on showing us how to launch our $1 million business. And there's no limit of how much money we can make online. That's the beautiful thing about this whole new digital age, right, that we're living in. It's the information age, but everything is going digital. So we got to take advantage of the tools, resources, and everything we have available today. Learn how to turn your passions into businesses if you can solve people's problems, right? So can you capitalize on your passions? Learn how to monetize them through services and products, videos, right? If you have skills that you want to share through an ebook, or you can use other people's products to start building passive income. There are 3 simple steps that you must follow in order to start building passive income while we're sleeping. So if you never made money from home using the internet, the 3 simple steps are: number 1, we need to have a capture page or landing page to collect emails and names of potential buyers. These people are called leads. These leads are coming in because they're interested in buying, or they're interested in learning what we have to offer, a product that we have for them to take a look because they have a problem, okay? So we're gonna educate them with the problem. In exchange, we're gonna give them something, maybe a testimonial or some sort of case study, right, for their email and name. And then they will have the opportunity to buy the product. Once they click on the call of action to go ahead and buy the product, if they don't decide to buy, they will get communications from us through an email campaign that we will send through the second step, which is have an email autoresponder, which is a system that collects emails from the capture pages that we have and puts them in different lists as we designate them to different lists, because we may be building different niches. So we want to have different lists for different niches, and we want to have email campaigns going out to these leads so that they can convert to buyers, so that they can actually make the decision to purchase from our products. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to have a capture page. Step 2 is to have an email responder, and step 3 is to have targeted traffic going to that capture page every day. And we can do that inside of the email autoresponder. We can do actually all the steps inside of the email autoresponder. So when you go to our website by clicking the link in the description, and you'll see the digital course, go ahead and purchase that. Once you create your virtual office, then on the main website, you'll be able to head to the investor tab and hit the first option, which is an email autoresponder. It's the one that we use, Get Response. So is a great tool to have. It's a must tool to have. You don't have to have the one that we use, Get Response. There are many different email autoresponders out there. There are many great companies that deliver this type of service. So look for the one that you're best attracts to you. Depends on what services and features you're looking for. You want to have something simple. What is the type of email autoresponder you like to have? I like Get Response because it has many different options to do marketing within the software. It has the ability to create landing pages, capture pages, create different lists, the analytics. Everything is very simple, and I really like it. Also, it has an opportunity to decide if you want to join their affiliate program, where you can share their products, and you can also make money with that. You don't have to purchase their products to become an affiliate, okay? You can be an affiliate and just sell the products and make money with it. However, I truly recommend the product because we use it daily here inside of our community. And as I said before, we're gonna share all the tools available to us that we're all using to build our asset column so that we can all help ourselves, right? It's all about being transparent, having integrity, understanding the new rules of money, and solve problems in the world. So what type of problems, what type of contributions do we want to give to the world? Find a need and fill it. Today, we're going to be speaking about building a team, how to build a successful team online. Today is March 6, 2024, mastering the art of acquiring cash flow and assets. Today's golden rule is good debtors. Today is March 7. Apologize. Yes. Today's golden rule is mastering reading financial statements are the foundation of true wealth. And the reason why reading financial statements is the foundation of true wealth is because when we master that skill set, starting with our personal financial statement, because every business and investment has a financial statement. Even if we're building a business from scratch, that business has a financial statement. And we need to be able to show that financial statement to the investors. If we're going to raise capital from different banks or different private investors, we need to show that financial statement. Even if it has no sales, we need to show them how it will look, a projection of how it will look with the assets on this asset column. But every business, every person, every investment has a financial statement. And we start reading our own personal financial statement. That's why inside of our ebook and digital course, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet Earned Passive Income On, you'll find an asset, which is fill in a financial statement that we have blank. You just download it straight into your Excel account and you can fill it in with your information, your income, how do you make your money. You're going to be able to see your expenses, your liability column, your assets, and how the cash flow is flowing through the entire financial statement. So take massive action, because that is how we begin to manifest our dreams. It's through action. It's by be, do, have. Okay, so we build the plan of the life that we want, right? Of what we want out of life, and we reverse engineer that, and we have to take action on a daily basis. Heavy action. So we have an idea and we take heavy action. That's how we turn information into knowledge. It's through application of that information into our lives. Okay, because if we just have the information and we don't do anything with it, it's just data. It doesn't really do anything to us unless we really put it to work. So the information age is all about having the right information. So what are we listening to? Who are we talking to? Who are our friends? What are we reading? And one of our mottos here inside of our community is we go to sleep smarter than we were yesterday, because we want to ensure that every night we are growing. We're watering our minds with knowledge like we're doing right now. Today's title is Strategies for Building a Successful Team in the Digital Business Landscape. Once you're able to read financial statements and starting with your own, you can improve your financial statement, and you can also do that with any business. When you look at a commercial real estate property or any other asset in a different asset class, you'll be able to read the financial statements of that company or that business and be able to tell whether, if it's an existing business, then you'll be able to tell whether it's a sound business or a toxic business, or can you improve the financial statement. Maybe there are things that you can improve that the current owner is not doing. So when you take over, and there are many opportunities where we will find mismanaged assets where we will come in and fix them, because the current entrepreneur lacks financial education, and we're going to just implement our new strategy so that we can improve the bottom line. So there's nothing wrong with finding mismanaged businesses, but we need to be able to read the financial statements so that we know exactly the story behind that business or investment, okay? So that's why it's important that we master that ability to read financial statements, because once we do that, we start building true wealth. No one can scam us because we have the ability to read the real story behind that business or that individual's finances, right? Because the financial statement discloses the entire finances of the person or entity which we're looking at. In the rapidly evolving digital business landscape, the success of any enterprise is intricately tied to effectiveness of its teams, whether we are a startup or established company. Assembling and nurturing a high-performance team is essential for staying competitive and achieve long-term success. In today's talk, we will explore strategies for building a successful team tailored to the unique demands of digital businesses. Number one, define clear goals and roles. Let's start by defining clear and achievable goals for a digital business. Break down these goals into actionable tasks and assign specific roles and responsibilities to team members based on their skills and expertise. Clarity in goals and roles fosters accountability and ensures everyone is aligned towards a common objective. Number two, embrace diversity. Digital businesses thrive on innovation and creativity, both of which are enhanced by diversity. Build a team with a mix of backgrounds, experiences, and perspectives. This diversity not only enriches the problem-solving process, but also helps in better understanding and catering to diverse customer needs. Number three, encourage collaboration. Foster a culture of collaboration where team members are encouraged to share ideas, provide constructive feedback, and work together towards common goals. Digital tools and platforms can facilitate seamless communication and collaboration, breaking down barriers of time and geography. Number four, invest in continuous learning. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and staying ahead requires continuous learning and upskilling. Encourage our team members to pursue professional development opportunities, whether it is through online courses, workshops, or conferences. Investing in our team's growth not only enhances our skills, but also boosts morale and loyalty. Number five, promote adaptability and resilience. Digital businesses operate in a dynamic environment where change is constant. Build a team that is adaptable and resilient, capable of navigating uncertainties and embracing new opportunities. Encourage a growth mindset where challenges are seen as learning opportunities rather than setbacks. Number six, provide autonomy and empowerment. Trust our team members to take ownership of their work and empower them to make decisions independently. Providing autonomy not only fosters creativity and innovation, but also instills a sense of ownership and responsibility. Empowered teams are more motivated and productive, driving better outcomes for the business. Number seven, prioritize work-life balance. In the fast-paced world of digital business, it is easy for team members to burn out if work-life balance is neglected. Encourage a healthy balance by promoting flexible work arrangements, setting realistic deadlines, and encouraging time off when needed. A well-rested and rejuvenated team is more productive and creative. Number eight, celebrate success and learn from failures. Acknowledge and celebrate both individual and team achievements, no matter how small. Recognize the efforts and contributions of team members and use successes as opportunities to motivate and inspire. Similarly, view failures as learning experiences and encourage a culture of experimentation and risk-taking. In conclusion, building a successful team for a digital business requires a combination of clear goals, diverse talent, collaboration, continuous learning, adaptability, empowerment, work-life balance, and a culture of celebration and learning. By prioritizing these strategies, we can cultivate a high-performing team capable of driving innovation, growth, and success in today's dynamic digital landscape. I hope that you enjoyed today's talk. Remember, it's all about our team, right? And when it comes to building a successful business, we need to have the 8 elements of a successful business. And one of those 8 elements is the team. So when it comes to the team, we need to remember that investors, everybody around us are going to be looking at who is our team, so choose them wisely. And today we don't need to have a huge team. You don't need to have a lot of employees to start your digital business. You can begin to have communities and partnerships and mentors like MASTERINVESTOR. Find other communities that are teaching about entrepreneurship or things that you want to learn about, right? There are many great communities out there. Learn from the ones that you want to learn from get the right information, invest in your financial education, focus on that asset column, and begin to deliver value to your audience so that you can provide great content and solutions to the world so that you get rewarded in the form of passive income and capital gains income. Those are the two types of income that we can get from investing. It's capital gains income and passive income. Rule number one in a community here at Master Investor is that we work to build passive income and make more money, work hard through sound investing. And the reason why that's rule number one is because that's what the ultra wealthy do. So we do exactly what they do so that we get the results that we want to get in regards to investing. Today, money is created with debt. That's why debt is tax-free, and we encourage everyone here at Master Investor to learn how to use debt to become wealthy, not to be debt-free like many gurus out there talk about being debt-free in order to build wealth. That is the recipe to become poor, because money is created with debt. So you got to learn how to use debt to become wealthy. Instead of just using debt to buy liabilities, use debt to buy assets first, and then you can use debt to buy liabilities because you'll have assets to pay for those liabilities expenses. And at the end of the day, when we do it the proper way, the wealthy way, the master investor way, the way we are explaining inside of our community, we get everything for free. Legally, the ultra wealthy learn how to position ourselves in a way that we get everything for free. At the end, we get the money back if we invest any money of our own into the deal, and then we keep control over the deal, and we still keep receiving passive income. So it's money for nothing. We have a printing money machine, and we do that over and over again in different asset classes. So which one is going to be your first asset that you're going to be building or acquiring in your asset column? And start investing in your financial education. Click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you in the next podcast. And stay extraordinary and wealthy. Bring you the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. Thank you, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.